So there we go. We have done the clear coats and the colour looks on, and it looks really, really good. Under this specific light, it looks very, very green under the fluoro, but when you get to the back, it starts getting that grey tinge back into it. It's exactly what we wanted, a grey with the green tinge on it. Apologies for some of the other footage. There's a bit of a smudge and I didn't realise until just then, so hopefully it's not too bad when I go back through everything. But I'm happy with it. It looks good. Learned some things again while I'm painting. Later on in a few weeks, we are going to cut and polish this one. Hit it with some 1200, 15, 2000, and then cut and polish over the top of it, just to take that edge right off, get any dust in it that's out. But everything come up quite nice. Bonnet looks very pretty. Front and rear bars, side skirts. Now just to say how tight we were on paint, we come down to not being able to put the third coat on the top of this wing. That's how tight on the paint we were. So we'll keep an eye on that, and if later on it plays up, we've still got enough pearl to throw on top of that, but that may even happen yet. I'm sure there's probably something we might want to change and modify later on. But overall, very, very happy with the car. Very productive day. It's about 2:43 now, and the rain started 10 minutes ago. We finished painting about 25 minutes ago, so we've done good. We've beaten it, and it's going to come up beautiful. Super happy. Tomorrow's assembly. We'll get this thing back on the road by Friday. She's going to look good.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
Okay, so we've got the front bar sitting on the car now. The original bar that was on the car had a set of brackets at the top to bolt everything in, which this bar does not. Oops. Which this bar does not have. And Rhino has them, and we're gonna stick them in, which go under here. So put that one under there. I need that one. So these roughly go in this position here and here. So we're going to push this into location, measure those points, mark them up, and then bolt or rivet them in. We'll see what's going to work best with what gear we've got here. When we get the bar fully mounted, we're going to take it back off, get all the mesh and everything on it, and then get the whole thing fully mounted. And the cat's decided to help. Hello.
Your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. as you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey.
So what you're gonna have to do is just, you might have to lift that headlight a touch. So the rear spoiler for the car has what they always do, a little bit of surface rust that can happen between the spoiler and the boot. We're going to do the same thing to do with the XR6. We're going to use the same material to make new gaskets for it. As you can see, the gaskets they have here aren't much of anything. It's just a bit of a strip around. Water's going to sit in there. So we're going to build this right out to the edges, cut in these holes. You can see it's got a bit of rust in it. So we're going to treat that, do that on both sides, and then get it bolted on. But periodically we'll pull it off every 6 months or so and just double check. So if anything does start on there, we can get to it quickly rather than wait till it's a major problem, we have a whole issue in there. So we'll get these gaskets made.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just keep it up. Don't be scared.
Okay, so here we are back with the Lancer. It's been a couple of months since we painted it, so a bit of a delay in the video there, but as you can see, she didn't come up too bad at all. The full kit that's ended up on it. Coming out quite nice. So, a few little bits and pieces here and there. We just did a little bit of work on it. Just some standard maintenance belts and a axle boot, that's what we're talking. So we chucked all that in, got it running as it was, and so one of the things that we're going to fix later on is a few marks or stone chips in the front of the bark is where it's been travelling, and we've had a bit of a bad thing here with the paint. So for some reason with the fuel got in there and chewed all that paint off. So we've just touched it up with the original grey that was on there because we don't have the pearl to get it back to the green, which we will fix later on. Make the custom boot for it as well. But all in all, I think it came out quite nice. Looks very good. I'm very happy with it. I think everybody's pretty happy with it. So it's a good effort. It's not bad. We're all learning everything as we go. More from here.